bash it with a hammer. Okay, there we go. Let's move it up a bit. Get this pokey thing I found in the road on one of my walks that we're going to go for later. This is trash day. Last trash day I found a ceiling fan, really ugly one. I thought it was a lighting fixture because the canopy was so damn big, and there was 3 CFL bulbs in it, and I grabbed 3 of them. 2 out of 3 ain't bad story, because 1 was dead. That EOL video I did of it got over 100 views. Someone told me they were dangerous to destroy, but that was actually a question, and I replied saying mercury. Oops. Totally didn't get the question. I didn't read it right, rather. Give it the old snippy snip. Snippy snip. Shango had one of his videos have automatic chapter titles, and it says snippy snip, and that was one of the chapters, the titles. Another one said dad waffles. Pretty sure he never said that. You know, early AI interruptions, mistakes. Okay. Need 2 hands for this. Okay, here it is. The inside of the Balun, which means balanced, unbalanced. It's the inside of it. Here's the gasket and the aluminum. So that's what the inside looks like of a matching transformer.